Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add and adjust shadows in Snappa. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Snappa. Now, open the design where you want to add the shadow of. I'll just use a template from here. Now, click on the text box. After that, you can see the shadow section on the left hand side of your screen. Choose the color of your shadow. Now click on the offset. You can see that the shadow has been created. Now you can also add the blur to the text. You can decrease it by clicking on the arrow down button. So that is how you can add and adjust shadow in Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.